All right, so for the past few years, it's no secret that I've been really big into Jordan 1s, and going into the new year, that's not gonna change. It's still one of my favorite casual sneakers to wear, so I decided to do another lookbook. I did one of these a while back, and you know, honestly, it's not my favorite video that I've done, so I wanted to redo it and kind of implement some newer outfits that I've been wearing. You'll see a little bit more workwear in this one, more menswear, but of course, that casual streetwear vibe is gonna be there with a little bit of a grown man twist. So I'm not gonna chat long. I really hope you guys enjoy this lookbook. If you wanna see more outfits, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm at Eddie Wing Kicks. These videos always take a long time to make. I think it took me a little bit over a month to do this. So if you enjoyed it, definitely hit that thumbs up. And of course, I'm not telling you this is the exact way to wear Jordan 1s. You may completely disagree with this video and how I'm wearing them, but leave a comment and let me know how you style yours and what the difference is. It's all good. We can disagree on that. Everyone has their own unique style. This is just mine. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lookbook. I'll catch you on the next one.
Yeah.